Hi guys, today I'm gonna tell four models of for software developer. One is waterfall model, two V model, three iterative, and another one is I forgot the name. Iterative, or another one is, what should I say? Incremental model. Okay, first of all we will go for the waterfall model. As we know, waterfall model, what does it mean? That water is falling from the height, from the that's not the model. It's called waterfall model. Suppose you are a software developer. Okay, you have to work for the government. You have to create a governmental software that will say that will OS or off website that will stay the same or unchanged, that will not will change continuously, like it will update or not, it will be a same for few years of until the software is exist. Okay, like that. You are working for a company, for a medicine company. The medicine company will just only they will update their medicines name and the works or the something else. So this medicine company will only choose a model which is very easy to understand, and that software will never be changed, or you can say it will be unchanged. Okay, the requirement are well known and have a clear goal for the requirement will be well known for everyone, and it will be simple. So here the client only involved in the starting time, not and at the ending time. They will not come for the middle time, or what I am doing they will not focus, or they will not see, they can't see that. For and also for the background software, the client can't see or can't visit, or can get any types of feedback. Okay, in terms of regular feedback isn't needed. So the any types of regular feedback is needed. And for this software we have to the developer company will have to complete it within time. There is no room for the experiment or trial. Okay, there will no risk for the experiment or trial. Then we will go for the V model. V model is one of the good models. Suppose you are a software developer. Your task is to make a fit healthcare system for medical institutions. Healthcare system for the medical institution. The system will manage patient's date, medical record, and appointment, etc. Since the software will be used by doctor and the healthcare professionals, it must meet strict medical standard for accuracy and data privacy. So for this project we can just there will be the high standard for quality. The standard of the health system has to meet strict medicine standard, which will maintaining each features must be thoroughly tested and validated, causes its safety. Okay, clear and unchanging requirements. So here the requirement will change, it will be similar. Okay, for the V model, it's as you know, V model, it is there will be two part on this. One is should I say what the hell, it is called and sequential model. There will be two part on is verification and is validation. For verification it will take step by step. For validation, back and when the model of the complete. So for validation it will show after completing the full model. ঠিক আছে। So there is another thing is frequent testing. Here for the waterfall model we learned that there will never be a frequent testing for that model, but in this model we can understood that there is a frequent model, or the frequent testing is can assures in this model, is assuring in this model. So this means that as soon as the requirement are set, the term also created test and make sure that each requirement is met. Okay, parallel development and testing. Here we can see the parallel development and testing. So each development phase is matched with the testing phase. So for example, after defining requirements, acceptance tests are prepared to check if all requirements are met. Then it will design the phrase, and system tests are planned to check if the design function are expected. Okay, so one time delivery. So delivery will be one time, like since the requirement are clear, the project will be delivered as after finishing it, and at the end within the functional within the future update or the adjustment will never come. Okay, then future there will be no update or future adjustment will be is absent here. So client review. Only at a major milestone, the client will review the work specific point. After requirement are yet or set, when the design is done, after testing, this reduce the needed for organization feedback during the development. So you can understood that client review only the major milestones. So after completing the testing time, or after completing the testing, it is done, or everything is over for getting any types of feedback. And why is testing period with each phrase? So you can say that there is a testing phrase for the each phase. Requirement analysis with acceptance and acceptance testing, which means ensures the system meets user needs. System design and details design, that's it. So for in summary, you can see the V model idea is a healthcare project because it emphasizes the testing at each step. It will ensure that every part of the system work correctly and meet the high standards with a clear and fixed requirements and no need for organizing for ongoing feedback. So the V model provide a structural way to ensure quality and reliability. Also, it will make it perfect for this type of scenarios. Higher shake softwares in summer. You can in a nutshell, we can say that with clear this project is with clear understanding with enhancing requirement and line development. It also idea for the object oriented project that need iterative adjustment and etc. And then it's come for the iterative phase model. What is the iterative phase model? In the iterative phase model, the developer, suppose you are a developer at this startup working for the fitness app, where we can see that for fitness app we can include or declude. Okay, for including, we can just add something different, like we can add calling features, messaging feature instead of fitness items. This will be necessary for the future ideas or future predictions. So here iterative phase or the iterative phase model is important. Okay, so the developer team or your team or my team is not sure about which technology or algorithm may be used. I don't know which technology or